Business and economy at a glance. Retail inflation plummeted to 1.54%. Tata Capital muted debut. Tata Motors demerger. Investors advised to remain watchful.
The Worlodonomics Times presents daily news updates. Business and economy at a glance. Indian equity markets opened on a cautious note Tuesday, mirroring mixed Asian cues and reacting to domestic inflation data released yesterday. Retail inflation plummeted to a 99-month low of 1.54% in September, largely driven by a continued fall in food prices. This has fueled expectations of a potential rate cut by the Reserve Bank of India in its upcoming monetary policy review. In corporate news, the much-anticipated market debut of Tata Capital saw a muted response, with shares listing at a modest premium. Meanwhile, today marks the record date for the demerger of Tata Motors' commercial vehicles business. The stock will trade as two separate entities, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles Limited and the commercial vehicle arm, from the next session. On the international front, escalating trade tensions between the United States and China continue to cast a shadow on global markets. U.S. President Donald Trump's recent announcement of an additional 100% tariff on Chinese imports has triggered risk-off sentiment across Asia. Key market movers. Tata Motors in focus, as today is the last day of trading as a consolidated entity before the demerger of its commercial vehicle business. Tata Capital made a subdued debut on the stock exchanges after its initial public offering, IPO. Avenue Supermarts, DMart, reported a 4% year-on-year increase in net profit, with revenue climbing by 15.5%.